Hi, I'm Heather and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you a really yummy, fairly easy recipe called zucchini fritters. If any of you like zucchini as much as we do, we are always looking for ways to cook them because we grow them in our garden and we get an abundance of them. So this is about 3 cups of zucchini. You want to shred them in a food processor and then squeeze them in a cheesecloth until all of the moisture is pretty much gone. Otherwise, the ingredients, they won't hold together. So you dump this into a bowl. This is 2 eggs already beaten and about 1/4 cup of onions. And you want to mix all this together first so that you really get the zucchini coated down with the eggs and the onions so they stick together. And then you're going to add your adhesive ingredients here to the right. So while I'm putting this together, I have behind me a cast iron skillet filled with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of oil, and it's heating up because you want to put these in when it's nice and hot. All right, so this is about 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. And again, you can adjust these ingredients more or less depending on how much you want. Do not forget the flour though. That is vital. The flour and the eggs have to be in this or it will not hold together. Make sure you mix it really, really well so you get a nice coating of the flour throughout. And then you want to put in some pepper. And again, this is however much you think you want. Zucchini on its own doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, so don't feel shy about adding salt and pepper to this. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start making them into patties. So you don't want to make them really big. You can, but you don't have to. I usually make them about like this big. And then you slide them into the oil. And these are going to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want them nice and brown on each side. Make sure you don't walk away from these because they can burn in about 2 seconds flat. So you need to pay attention. Don't be multitasking while you're doing this or bad things will happen. I'm speaking from experience. So you can already tell that it's starting to get golden brown on the bottom. So I'm going to flip. Try to flip it away from you or you'll get grease splattered all over yourself. These are really yummy to eat with like sour cream, ranch dressing, marinara, pesto, pretty much anything you like to dip stuff in. All right, these are almost done. And you want to make sure they're nice and brown on the bottom before you pull them out, so they're evenly cooked. This is the end. It took about 10-15 minutes to make this entire recipe from beginning to end. They're nice and golden brown. They're going to be delicious. They'll be a little gooey inside because of the cheese that's added. And you can serve them, as I said, with sour cream, ranch dressing, marinara sauce, pesto, basically anything you like to dip things in. They keep really well in the refrigerator and you can also freeze them. So I hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks.